Hi guys, my name is Rods. This is my workplace. Yep, here we are. We are milking cows. Look, um, that is the milking shed. Cow are going this one. Yep, this one, and here we go. Have you seen a person there? Look, I can see. Okay, you can see. Yeah, look, there's a milker milking there. All right. Hey, yeah. Say hi to my vlog. Yeah, he is my coworker. This is the cows we are going to milk. Yep. So where we are. Look, there's only few, right? Yeah. This okay. So our workplace, milking shed, cows. This is the yard. We were going to clean the yard after milking, and here we go. That is our calf shed. This one, there, out there. All right. Yeah. I'll see you around, guys. Thanks. Bye.